Skorn is an S5 hero from the knife-throwing recruitment and has gained much popularity in recent gameplay. We managed to level her up to rank 6 by using over 120 knives that we had saved. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. This video will discuss Skorn and her impact on the Sea of Conquest. Skills. Skorn's rage skill strikes 5 times to the target with the lowest HP, each deals up to 190% of attacks. This can add up to an impressive 950% damage output, making it the highest among the Cutthroat family. For comparison, against a level 136 sea monster, Skorn inflicts over 20 million damage, which is the highest on the ship, while Cutthroat delivers the lowest damage. With Skorn's presence, the ship completes the kill much faster, only receiving half the damage from the sea monster. Additionally, her skill specifically targets the lowest HP enemy rather than random targets, as Bones, Onimusha, and Cutthroat do. Compared to heroes like Margaret, Kojo, and Luna, who also target low HP ships, Skorn's damage output is nearly double. Her second skill further damages the lowest HP targets, inflicting up to 120% of her attack for every skill cast by a hero on board. This can accumulate to 360% damage per round if 3 heroes cast their skills. Skorn's third skill boosts her Cutthroat damage by up to 30% for every 25% drop in her ship's HP. As the battle progresses and her ship loses HP, this skill substantially increases her Cutthroat damage bonus. Ultimately, it can provide a whopping 90% Cutthroat damage bonus when the ship has lost 75% of its HP. Like Bones, Onimusha, and Cutthroat, the fourth skill enhances critical damage. Initially, her ship gains a passive bonus of up to 10% critical damage. Her rage skill increases by another 10% for 3 seconds when she casts her rage skill. Her final skill is compelling. Every 5 critical hits dealt by her ship inflicts up to 700% of her attack on the lowest HP target. This damage output is even higher than Luna's rage skill. The triggering condition is relatively easy to meet, as the Cutthroat ship typically has a high critical rate, leading to frequent critical hits, including those from basic attacks. We can expect this skill to be triggered as often as the rage skill, effectively making it like having 2 heroes within Skorn. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Trinket. Skorn's exclusive Trinket, the Dancing Blade, is only suitable for her. We will not receive the Trinket's effects if it is equipped by other heroes. First, this Trinket adds up to 36% Cutthroat damage to the ship. Its effects are impressive, making it a must-have item. When Skorn casts a skill, it reduces the target fleet's healing received by up to 40% for 5 seconds. Additionally, it increases the damage taken by the target fleet by up to 28%. In other words, our fleet gains a 28% damage bonus thanks to this Trinket. The cooldown for this effect is 6 seconds, meaning there is only a 1-second gap where the effect does not apply. This allows our fleet to benefit from the Trinket most of the time. Given its superiority, we should prioritize upgrading it to the maximum level and rank to enjoy the full benefits of this Trinket. Benchmark. Skorn is an obvious choice for inclusion in Warhammer. However, our lineup already has Bones, Onimusha, and Cutthroat. So, who should we replace? Skorn is a jack-of-all-trades hero and can effectively take the place of any hero on board. Each player's choice may vary depending on the rankings of the heroes and trinkets. The easiest way to distinguish between them is by comparing their damage output. Currently, Cutthroat deals the lowest damage, making him a candidate for replacement with Skorn. Despite this, we have decided to replace Onimusha instead due to the double Cutthroat ship setup. This setup helps us consistently overpower players with a higher CP than ours. Please comment on double Cutthroat if you want to learn more details on the new setup. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.